The laundry's done, the household's clean, and I've got this mom thing down.
Mom, can I get this new app? Hey, Mom, can I touch it?
Life happens. We're all crazy busy, and the last thing that you want to do is make a complicated recipe with ingredients you can't pronounce. That's why we created this Simply Cooked ebook of 10 easy and delicious recipes. Every recipe comes with easy-to-follow directions and ingredients, as well as a video that walks you through each recipe step by step. These recipes are fast, easy, and have been tested and refined in my personal kitchen. And bonus, they've received an enthusiastic thumbs up from my family. My hope is that this recipe booklet will inspire you and your family to make great meals and even simplify your life so that you can get back to the things that need to get done. Be right there, honey.